Brace yourselves, what was once science fiction is now becoming a reality. Tesla Optimus, the groundbreaking humanoid robot, is getting an upgrade that could change everything. Neuralink, Elon Musk's revolutionary brain chip interface, is set to be implanted in Tesla's AI robots. This update could redefine how machines think, act, and interact with us. Are you ready for the future? Tesla Optimus has already wowed us with its human-like abilities, but adding Neuralink to the mix? That's a game-changer. Neuralink, which is designed to create a seamless link between the human brain and machines, will allow Optimus to process information more intuitively, almost as if it's thinking like us. So, how will this work? Neuralink's ultra-high bandwidth brain interface will integrate directly into Optimus's AI framework. This means faster decision-making, complex problem-solving, and even the potential for learning in real time. Imagine a robot that doesn't just execute commands but adapts to new challenges on the fly. This could revolutionize industries, healthcare, manufacturing, even space exploration. A robot with Neuralink could assist astronauts, perform surgeries, or even care for the elderly. But it's not just about what Optimus can do. It's about how it can evolve. Neuralink could enable these robots to develop a deeper understanding of human emotions and needs, creating a new era of AI-driven empathy. Of course, not everyone is cheering. Critics are raising questions about the ethical and security challenges of such advanced AI integration. What happens if this technology falls into the wrong hands? And how much control will humans truly retain over these machines? Elon Musk, the visionary behind both Neuralink and Tesla, has assured that safety and ethical considerations are top priorities. In his words, "We are building a future where AI will enhance human life, not replace it." So, what's next? This merger of brain interface tech and robotics could pave the way for a new era where machines are more than tools, they could become collaborators, companions, and even caregivers. The Neuralink Optimus partnership is more than an upgrade, it's a leap into the unknown. Will this be the breakthrough that defines our century? Let us know your thoughts, and stay tuned for more updates on the tech shaping our world.